विसाप्रा न्यूकार आंतरराष्ट्रीय वेपार कायद्यावयली परिशद ह्या फावट पयलेच खेपे गोंयांत जाता। पणजेच्या एका सप्त तारांकीत हॉटेलांत भारताचे सरन्यायाधीश दीपक मिश्रा हांच्या हस्ते ह्या परिशदेचे उक्तावण जातले। म्हण म्हायती भारताचे अतिरिक्त सॉलिसिटर जनरल आत्माराम नाडकर्णीन म्हायती दिल्या। RDX गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान विलियम रॉड्रिगीस।
As you know, the International Law Association is a very famous organization around the globe, and the president of the Indian chapter is the Honorable the Chief Justice of India. Indeed, tomorrow we are going to have the International Law Association conference. The inaugural function is going to be at around 3 p.m.
The function, and Mr. K.K. Venugopal, the Attorney General. Incidentally, Attorney General has a house in Goa. So when I asked him that we'll book a suite for you here, he said, no, I have got my own house. I don't want to stay in a hotel. So he'll be coming, and then thereafter we have got two parallel sessions. One is being chaired by Justice R.F. Nariman, a senior judge of Supreme Court, and then you have got Justice Nageshwar Rao, Justice Sanjay Kishan Kaur, and two Delhi High Court judges who are also members of the ILA India chapter. They have also come here, Justice Manmohan and Justice Enloe. And we have a large number of excellent speakers. Mr. Tushar Mehta, who is the Additional Solicitor General of India, Miss Pinky Anand, who is again an Additional Solicitor General of India, then Aryama Sundaram, a very, very leading senior advocate, originally from Chennai but now practicing in Supreme Court. Then Mr. Darayas J. Khambata, he is from Bombay. In fact, he was the Advocate General of Bombay, and he also keeps on coming to Supreme Court. And Mr. Venkatesh Dalwai is from Bangalore. Nandini Gore is a partner of Karanjawala and Company in Delhi. So she will be speaking.